Hello everyone. Today we are making yummy spaghetti pasta. Take the pan, add little bit olive oil and sliced garlic and saute gently. After little bit brown color the garlic, we need to put the chopped onion. Need some more brown color. Okay. Now we need to put the onion. Yeah, very fine chopped onion. Yes. So now we are adding some spices, oregano, basil powder, and some chili flakes. Again we need to little bit saute and we are adding 2 spoons of white sauce. Next video I will tell you how to make the white sauce also and some milk also and little bit parmesan cheese and little bit salt and pinch of black pepper powder and mix it well. Yes, should be like. Now we need to add pasta. Yes, spaghetti pasta. Now we need to mix gently. No need to hurry because of spaghetti will broken. So please carefully need to make pasta. Now our pasta is ready. So we need to do plating. Yes. We need to keep nicely. Yes, like this. Yes. Now our pasta is ready. We need to put garnish. Some chopped parsley and parmesan cheese. Thank you.